First step. First, check the scene for factors that could put you in danger, such as traffic, fire, or falling masonry. Next, check the person. Do they need help? Tap their shoulders and shout, "Are you okay?" If they are not responding, call 911 or ask a bystander to call 911 before performing CPR. If possible, ask a bystander to go and search for an AED machine. People can find this in offices and many other public buildings. Place the person carefully on their back and kneel beside their chest. Tilt their head back slightly by lifting their chin. Open their mouth and check for any obstruction, such as food or vomit. Remove any obstruction if it is loose. If it is not loose, try to grasp it by push it further into the airway. Place your ear next the person's mouth and listen for no more than 10 seconds. If you do not hear breathing or you only hear occasional gasps, begin CPR. If someone is unconscious but still breathing, do not perform CPR. Instead, if they do not seem to have spinal injury, place them in recovery position. Keep monitoring their breathing and perform CPR if they stop breathing. Step 4. Perform 30 chest compressions. Place one of your hands on top of other and clasp them together. With the heel of the hands and straight elbows, push hard and fast in the center of chest, slightly below the nipples. Push at least 2 inches deep. Compress their chest at the rate of least 100 times per minute. Let the chest rise fully between compressions. Step number 5. Perform 2 rescue breaths. Making sure their mouth is clear, tilt their head back slightly and lift their chin. Pitch their nose shut. Place your mouth fully over theirs and blow to make their chest rise. If their chest does not rise with the first breath, retilt their head. If their chest still does not rise with the second breath, the person might be choking. Step 6. Repeat. Repeat the cycle of 30 chest compression and 2 rescue breaths until the person starts breathing or help arrives. If an AED arrives, carry on performing CPR until the machine is set up and ready to use.